Fish has it. There he is. That's a nice one. That's a good fish right there.
What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today, so far, has actually been a bad day. This is the intro, but I went over to a lake that was 5 minutes from here and it was so bad. So right now, the sun's actually out right now, which is the first time today it's been out because there's actually a huge cold front that came in. It was actually snowing an hour ago. The sun poked out like 5 minutes ago, the first time today, which is pretty weird. This weather has dropped like 15 to 20 degrees right now, so these fish are not biting whatsoever. I'm out here right now, and I think my boy Casey's gonna meet me here as well, and we're gonna try to go finesse on these fish. Right now, I got the I think the Slim Shake worm or the Dragon Drop from Googan baits. Actually, let me check right now. So right now, I got the Slim Shake worm on a Lucky Tackle Box shaky head. I'm gonna be throwing that and working real slow for these fish. Teach you guys a few new tips and tricks along the way, and wait for my boy Casey to show up, and hopefully I can crank into some fish, because the lake I was just at, the wind was so bad and it was so cold. Now the sun's actually out and I don't think it's gonna stay out, but we'll see. Put this camera down, I'm gonna start fishing, and hopefully we can get in some fish today. Let's do it.
God, it's so cold out here. Oh my God. Right now, this weather, so the sun's not out, which, I mean, the sun usually wasn't out today, so this feels kind of nice. But earlier, there's one. Earlier, the weather was 40 degrees, little guy, but it felt like 33, said my weather app. But we got one little guy here on the Slim Shake worm. That is puny, not the size we're looking for, but still, a fish doesn't hurt. Like I said, I got the LTB shaky head, and we got the Slim Shake worm. Little dude, see ya. We're obviously going for way bigger, but when it's really cold like this, I'm gonna stick to finesse type things, as the wind's howling at my back right now. God, it's so cold. Right in front of that drain. Come on, give me a fish here. There's one. That's a good fish, I think. I'm not sure. Let's keep him down. This might be a pretty good fish. I'm actually not sure. Felt pretty good. Feels all right. He's tugging. Some good head shakes right in front of that drain too. That Slim Shake worm. It's going that way. This might be a good fish here, boys. Kind of got a glimpse of him. Not really. Oh, that is a beautiful. Oh my God, that's a big fish. I think. It's actually a really nice fish. Get him on in here. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh my God. Right in front of the drain on the Slim Shake worm, the Lucky Tackle Box jig. Wow, guys, I'm gonna take a picture of this for sure on the big camera. Wow, look at that fish on the shaky head. That is beautiful. Wow.
So there's that fish right there on the Slim Shake worm from Googan baits, Lucky Tackle Box. Whatever it's called, I forgot. I'm just too excited right now. Beautiful fish. I'm going to get a weight on this bad boy for sure.
And the official weight of this fish is 4.9. Or 4.7, sorry, it went back to 4.7.
4.7 pounds. What a beauty. Let's get a release on her. But wow, what a fish right there. That's awesome. We're gonna put her in right here. Great fish right there. 4.7 pounds. And boom. She going? And there she goes, swimming off slowly. There she is right there. Woo, what a fish though. Oh my God, that was awesome. That was actually my second fish. It was right there. It was like my fourth cast, right in front of that drain. We've picked off big fish there before, but that was a nice fish to start the day for sure. Right in front of that drain. Come on now. There he is. Fish. He's smaller. Had him sideways. He looked bigger on that hook set. Nice fish though. Little guy. I mean, can't complain after getting that big one, but this one's actually really pale. Wow, it's surprising. Most of the fish in here are not as pale as this one, but still a beauty. See ya, buddy. Fish has it. There he is. That's a nice one.
That's a good fish right there. That's a good fish. That's a nice one. Not as big as that first one, but still, that's a nice fish. And he's biting a lot. Wow. I can just see him too. Beautiful fish. Wow. Come up here, let's go. Oh. Woo. Look at this one, Casey. Nice fish right here, man. Wow, that's a tank. Look at that. That's a beauty, dude. That is a nice freaking bass. This fish right there, probably a solid high 3, low 4s, I'd say. We're gonna put her back right here. That's a beautiful fish. Oh, I want to take a still of this, like that. Okay, now you can go, buddy. Look at that. Woo, looks dope. See you, dog. Thanks for playing. Woo, good fish. There's one. Fish on, baby. All right. Feels all right. Chunker one. That's a chunky one. Let's go. That's a good fish. Woo. Man, that is freezing. My hands are so numb. Another fish on the Slim Shake worm. Comes right out. Beautiful. Beautiful little chunky guy. And we're going to put him back right there. There he goes. Boom. Now we just got to get some more. Whew. Got him? Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, dude, this drain holds big fish, dog. That's a nice fish, dude. Woo! Get him in here, baby.
Oh, love how they choke this pig.
That's a nice. Oh, that's a 4 all day. That is a beast. Wow! Look at that. Woo!
Look at that.
Oh, dude, that's a solid 4 all day. So many 4s in this pond. It's ridiculous. Probably the third 4 of the day as well. That's a beauty, man. Whew. That's a 4 all day. I'll release on this bad boy.
Lock me back in the water, big girl.
Nice jig fish. Ooh! I would fist pump you, but your hands are way too cold right now, so. Good fish. Got another one? Damn!
Oh, another good one.
Yeah, dude. 2 in a row. This man just pulls out 2 decent fish right there.
Damn, look at how red those lips are.
Oh, yeah, dude. That's back-to-back casts.
Oh, munching.
Another beauty. Nice, man. Good stuff. God, I'm so cold. Wow, it is cold. Right now, it's 35 degrees, and with the wind, it's even worse. You can see my nose is so... I can't even zoom in on this thing because my hands are too cold. Where's the... Yeah, as you can see, my nose is super, super red right now, and it's just so cold out here. Decided to call it quits. Casey's gonna head out too. He's right behind me in that car. Huge props for him for coming out with me today. Dude's awesome, and he caught some nice fish. Probably being here for like an hour. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Today I was actually fishing with, it's in my hood right here, the Googan Baits Slim Shake worm on the Lucky Tackle Box shaky head. Caught some good fish on it, including 2 fish over 4 pounds, which is pretty dope. And there goes Casey as he's blasting his music. That's great. That's great. That's just great. But it was a fun day. Casey's out. I'm gonna head out as well. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I was super surprised I got some good fish today because it is just so cold and it's such a big cold front that came in. If you enjoyed the video, please smack that thumbs up button because I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Peace.